Everyone, this is Micah from Cali Raised LED. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our new catalytic converter guards for the 22 Toyota Tundras. Let's go ahead. So in this kit, you get your two catalytic converter guards. For the tools, you're going to need two 14mm wrenches, as well as a security bit that will be provided. And then it can be helpful to have a hammer just to knock a couple bolts around. You'll get two MA security bolts, 4 washers, and then the security bit. Everyone, we're under the truck now. I know most of you don't have a lift, but same premise when you roll underneath. Basically, there's just these two OEM bolts holding this cross brace on. We're just gonna loosen these and then push them forward a little bit. And then we're gonna grab our catalytic converter guard. We're gonna slide it over. And then we just have one last bolt on the front with our security bolt to install. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so now that we've got those loosened up, we want to push them forward. You're going to need probably about a 3/8 to 1/2 inch gap. And then you're just going to slide the large holes over them. You can slide it up just a little bit, just to make sure. And now we just need to install our front bolt. All right, now that we've got it over the back two bolts, we're going to go ahead and stick this through, and your washer goes on either side of it. This will help it keep from rattling when you're driving around. And if you want to just get it started by hand. Sometimes these threads get a little dirty, so it might be helpful sometimes to put some WD-40 or PB Blaster if you have it. And just get this finger snug for now. All right, and then we're gonna shift back and we're gonna go ahead and get these two tightened up again. All right, so you can kind of just leave this down a little bit for now. I'm just gonna get snug back up. And then we'll go ahead and push it all the way up right before we finish tightening it. You do want to make sure you get these pretty tight, because these are holding your this cross brace in. Now that we've got our two rear bolts tightened up, we're going to go ahead and get our security bolt tightened up. All right, everyone, that wraps up our installation of the 2022 and up Tundra Catalytic Converter Shields. Head on over to www.caliraisedled.com and order yours today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this YouTube channel for more Cali Raised content and installation videos.